It's 9:00.
I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Who's gonna start?
You.
Me? Okay. Little chicken house. Little chicken house. You're bad.
well, chill hockey stick? More like loser hockey stick.
Oh.
I agree. I agree with
Me too.
chicken, little chicken.
Little chicken house. I'm gonna blow up your little chicken house.
No.
Well, chill hockey stick, I'm gonna take your hockey stick and I'm gonna throw it.
No. Little chicken house.
Nice one. I'm sorry.
Yep.
Yep.
Little chicken house.
Oh.
Little chicken house.
Cute.
Little chicken not house.
Well, I got bars
I'm
from
gonna say
Mars,
it.
and
I'm
you
gonna
got
say
you
the
got bad
letter.
from chicken hockey. I mean, chill hockey. Bad. You're bad at hockey.
What?
Cause I got bars from
Okay.
Mars.
Ugly hussy potato. Ugly hussy potato.
Wait, my mother's coming. Well, I got bars from Mars, and chill hockey stick is not chill.
What? A little chicken house. You're a mouse. Not the cool kind. Mice are cool, but like
Well,
you're like
chill hockey stick, you're Paul.
what? You can't say that.
You called me a mouse.
Curses.
Chill hockey stick. I'm gonna say the letter Q.
Don't say it.
No.
Don't. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Q.
No.
Q. Q.
No. No.
Q.
You.
Q.
How about
You.
no?
You.
Stop.
You from Practical
Purple.
Jokers.
Chill hockey stick, more like doorknob.
I can't even believe you just said that. Little chicken house. You are not Splatcore.
What? How dare you?
Oh my god.
Well, chill hockey stick, you are not hockey stick enough.
No.
And you
Little
are not
chicken house.
splat.
Little chicken house. I kidnapped all of your chickens.
Well,
And your
chill hockey
Cheez-Its.
stick,
No.
I hit Paul until he died.
Okay, that's good.
Oh wait, no. I'm living with Paul and I'm making him so good.
No.
Oh.
Well, little chicken house.
Wait. I've returned.
Okay. What was I gonna say?
Chill hockey
Little
stick.
chicken house.
More no. Okay.
Big chicken house.
Chill hockey stick, more like hot golf putt thingy. Golf club. It's called a golf club.
Little chicken house. My best friend's name is Big Turkey Cabin.
Well, my best friend's name is Warm Stick.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Little Chicken House. Paul.
You can't say that. You
And
can't
this
Well,
is getting intense.
Chill Hockey Stick. Farard.
What?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Little Chicken House. Um. Uh,
Mhm.
You got this.
Yep, that's my verse.
Yep. Chill Hockey Stick. More
Yep.
like chocolate chip cookie.
What?
Oh yay.
Little Chicken House. Shit, I already said I would blow up your house. What rhymes with house? Man face
No.
mug.
Oh
Yep,
my
that
God.
rhymes with it.
Chill
Match.
Hockey Stick. More like lamppost.
Oh,
Wait.
bro.
Chill Hockey Stick.
Yeah?
Chill Hockey Stick. More like piano.
What?
Just ignore me playing some Kona Girl back here.
Okay, I will. What if instead of Chill Hockey Stick, it was lame loser chicken?
What?
Yes.
That's nice.
It is nice.
And I was about to say in my culture, in my grandparents' culture. You say that so much. I'm you saying that ingrained into my head.
Stick at you.
What's happening?
I'm sorry.
I'm a photographer and I took this photo.
Chill Hockey Stick. More like it's never lupus.
What? Little Chicken House. You're not cool.
Well,
Well, 20 seconds. It's the intense
Chill Hockey
here.
Stick. More like mouse.
Sorry, I have no.
What?
Sorry, I have
Okay.
Well, Little Chicken House, I'm a photographer and I took this photo.
Okay, but Little Chicken House, I'm a photographer and I took this photo.
Whoa.
Little Chicken House. Little Chicken House.
Oh.
Little
Well-
Chicken House.
My
Congestive heart failure, leg pain.
That's
Well-
crazy today.
Well, Chill Hockey Stick. Chicken.
What? Little Chicken House. What is having? Take a look at the signals.
Huh? Oh,
This sumo feed.
well, Chill Hockey Stick. More like I'm winning this rap battle. I love you.
No, not
Okay.
betting.
Not telling.
Not betting. Little Chicken House. Not telling.
Chill Hockey Stick.
My bar is so like bad. I can't say it because I'm gonna be banned forever. I'm gonna be canceled.
yeah. You
So
are.
therefore, you're not telling.
Not betting.
No. Oh. I don't need anything.
No. I took this photo.
Google.
Ew. Ew. This is scaring me.
Well,
Little
well, chill hockey stick. I'm a photographer and I took this photo.
Little chicken house. I'm a photographer and I took this photo.
Wow. Is that real?
Yes.
Guys, I'm a photographer and I took this photo.
Well, little chill hockey stick, more like snat.
What?
Yep.
Little chicken house? Um, little.
Chill hockey stick.
Yeah.
You are bad.
Little chicken house.
It's toes.
Well, chill hockey stick. I'm a chicken.
That looks so good, honestly. I
I'm
will
gonna eat that. I really want that
I
now.
need it right now.
I'm gonna eat it
That
through the
honestly
screen.
looks so
Okay,
good.
Wait, I think you know who won this rap battle?
Oh.
Apparently Jen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Whoa.
Apparently Jen won.
Yes, Jen.
Yes.
You go, girl.
Yeah.
You go, girl.
You go, girl.
Go, Jess.
I'm a photographer and I took this photo. I spent
Which
2 hours
photo?
on the Spot Simpson.
I spent 2 hours on
spent
this
2
part
hours
Simpson
And
for
I took
nothing.
this photo.
on this Spot Simpson for nothing.
I spent 2 hours on the Spot Simpson.
Wait, I must go get my cat. Apparently Jen wins.